Hey Samuel, do you have any hidden treasures in your condo listings?
What do you mean by hidden treasure?
You know, like a short walking distance to MRT, near the park, modernly renovated house, food.
Cheap cuckoo doesn't exist one lah. But I may have just the right unit that fits most of your criteria. Let's go. This unit is 1,830 square feet. It comes with 2+1 bedroom and it is renovated for a small family or retirees. The current owner has designed this open concept kitchen with this huge breakfast island, which is also the entertainment zone of the home. And all the heavy cooking can be done at the back. The dining area can fit an 8-seater. This is the second bedroom, comes with its own bathroom. And now for the grand review, the master suite. Every woman's dreams comes true right here. All the bathrooms have been refurbished. Oh, and I forgot, one more great renovation idea done to the home. They have turned the long hallway space as part of the home and enlarging the space. MRT is just at your doorstep with all the amenities. This home is priced at 1.55 million. Want to find out more? Don't forget to head to our website and check out our latest TTDI listing. See you next Tuesday when I showcase my recent rented unit.